Most egg would be 6. Because the all of the faces on the die faces on the clock have numbers on them as well, starting with 1 at the right, and then down right is 2, down is 3, down left is 4, all the way up to 8. Yeah, and then the second one would be 3, and then 1, 3, 6, 3, 1, 3. There's 7, and there's 0. It could have none, which would be 0. So essentially, if it was to play 1 of 8, yeah. So you'd have to shift them all up by 1. And we'd also need all of them. You think 8 would be none of them? Yeah, I could see that working. Oh, is there no, well, because there are 8 directions. Yeah, it sort of, but there are 8, it's not like a, you know. Okay.